Your vehicle's windshield isn't just a piece of glass anymore. It can intelligently detect rain to activate wipers and keep your view clear. House stereo cameras that protect you and those around you. Display critical updates without affecting your attention. And with ExoShield, it can now withstand forces strong enough to break your windshield. Experience how a state-of-the-art, eco-friendly, razor-thin layer of nanotechnology can augment your windshield with groundbreaking properties. Experience peace of mind with 6 times higher impact resistance. Experience a better-looking, longer-lasting interior with 99.9% of UV rejection.